Hello everyone and welcome to our video comparing the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL and the Gourmia air fryer oven. In this video, we will be taking a closer look at the features of these two products and how they compare to each other. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL is priced at $249, while the Gourmia air fryer oven is priced at $89. The Gourmia air fryer oven offers great value for its price, but keep in mind that the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL offers more features and a larger capacity if you're willing to spend the extra money. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL comes with an extra-large 8-quart ceramic coated pot and a 5-quart ceramic coated cook and crisp basket that holds up to a 7-pound chicken. On the other hand, the Gourmia air fryer oven offers a 30% larger cooking capacity with its XL 8-quart basket. Both products offer ample space for cooking for the whole family. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL offers 12 programmable cooking functions, including pressure cook, air fry, air crisp, steam, slow cook, yogurt, sear, sauté, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, sous vide, and keep warm. It also comes with a reversible rack for additional cooking options. The Gourmia air fryer oven, however, has 12 one-touch digital presets that cover every cooking mode. Both products offer multiple cooking functions and are versatile in the kitchen. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL has 14 safety features, making it rigorously tested and safe to use. The Gourmia air fryer oven meets safety standards as well, but does not mention the number of safety features. Both products are safe to use and include measures to avoid accidents. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL does not have a mention of its warranty. The Gourmia air fryer oven, on the other hand, comes with a 1-year comprehensive international warranty. Gourmia is known for its quality and standard of customer support. And that's our review comparing the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL and the Gourmia air fryer oven. In terms of price, the Gourmia air fryer oven offers great value, while the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL offers more features and a larger capacity. Both products have their own strengths, and we hope this comparison helped you make a better decision. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews.